Ready to conquer the CMA exam? Look no further than Surgent CMA Review, the ultimate online study resource designed for fast and efficient success. What makes Surgent stand out? Surgent Ultimate and Premier CMA Review offer an exceptional feature: exclusive one-on-one private coaching sessions. Tailored to your unique needs, our dedicated coaches focus on your weaknesses and pain points. After your initial assessment, you'll receive a personalized 10-week study plan designed just for you. We understand life gets busy, so we created a plan that adapts seamlessly, ensuring a harmonious work-life balance. And no more mindless memorization. Surgent's coaching sessions empower you to study strategically, targeting key areas for exam success. And that's not all. With Surgent, you'll have access to an extensive library of online tools. Engage with more than 60 video lectures for visual learners, tackle more than 3,900 practice questions covering all possible scenarios, and master your skills with more than 65 essay questions. Plus, experience the real CMA exam with unlimited practice exams. Surgent equips you with everything you need to be exam ready. Our groundbreaking ASAP adaptive learning technology and our ReadyScore exam readiness tool will ensure you know exactly where you stand. ReadyScore achieves an incredible 96% accuracy in assessing when you're ready for the CMA exam. Surgent's streamlined study process helps students complete their CMA exam prep 65% faster than other courses. Achieve your goals quicker and with unwavering confidence. Now here's the best part. Surgent believes in accessible education. Our flexible pricing options and financing through our trusted partner firm makes starting with Surgent CMA Review affordable. And with our 100% pass guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Don't miss the chance to transform your career with Surgent CMA Review. Give us a chance today, and together we'll pave your path to CMA success. Surgent CMA Review, where coaching meets excellence. Learn more at surgent.com.